how to log into your MetaMask wallet after forgetting your password. Here, the very first thing you want to do is simply get into your MetaMask application, and then from here you get into this page where you'll need to tap on I already have an existing wallet. From here you can simply tap on any of the platform that you have used in order to create your MetaMask account, like your Google, your Apple ID, or even your Telegram. Or if you do have your recovery phrase, then you can simply tap on the option import using recovery phrase. When you do add in all of the recovery phrase, or you can scan the QR and then tap on continue, you will successfully be able to log into your account, and there will be no requirement of any sort of password. But of course, if you're using any of those platforms, then you'll need to add in the password of any of those platforms. So if you're continuing with your Google account, then you'll need to select which account you want to continue with, and when you do that, you'll need to add in the password, right? But here you can actually reset your Google password by their own method of resetting it, and once you do that, you'll be able to add in the password and log into your account. So there's no specific requirement of MetaMask password, but you would need the password of those platforms to log into your account.